Hello and welcome to Palomar College. A very special welcome to our Palomar Promise students. We are excited to work with you. We are looking forward to meeting you in a variety of ways throughout your first year at Palomar College. My name is Rosalinda Tovar, and I am one of the members of your Palomar Promise team. So behind me is our building. Right now, it is known as the Teaching and Learning Center San Marcos, home of Palomar Promise. In the very near future, you may come to know our building as the Welcome Center. So your Palomar Promise team is housed here. In the near future, we will also be a part of a larger team with several other departments. But for now, we are going to hopefully give you an introduction to our Skillshops. So a couple of things. All of our Palomar Promise students are required to attend 1 to 2 Skillshops per semester at a minimum. If you'd like to attend more, we highly encourage you to attend as many as you'd like. So today we're going to navigate our website to give you a little bit of a background as to how you can find more information about our Skillshops, as well as how you can register, and give you a little bit of a glimpse of some of the topics that we have covered in the past, may cover in the future, and from there we will move forward. So let's take a second to start looking at that website. All righty, so we are going to go ahead and get started. So hopefully you can all see our Palomar Promise homepage. I would like to encourage all of our Palomar Promise students to always start off on our Palomar Promise homepage. And as it has all pertinent information that you most definitely want to be aware of. So I know that most likely this is where you may have come to find out information about Palomar Promise, including the benefits, the application, and to determine whether or not you were eligible. There are a couple other pieces of information that you may not have necessarily taken a look at, and we're going to highlight those right now. So that would be our Skillshops. So if we look at our website, Palomar Promise, you'll notice that there is a subheading here that says Skillshops. Again, you may or may not have gone to it. If you do now, it will take you to a page that looks like this. This is a picture of what our building looks like now in its current state, in terms of we are still the Teaching and Learning Center San Marcos. And as I mentioned, in the very near future, we will become the Welcome Center. But for now, this is where we are. So if you were to go there right now, you will see that we have past events, which means that we don't have any Skillshops right now. So we offer Skillshops during the spring semester and during the fall semester. So this has information of some of the sessions that we offer that past 2021 spring semester. Okay, so as we move to navigate our website and make some changes in the very near future, it will look a little bit different, and it will look a little bit more like this. So this is the home site, our homepage for Teaching and Learning Center San Marcos. There is also a subheading here about Skillshops. So if we were to go ahead and go to, you'll notice that there's a subheading there about Skillshops, Skillshop descriptions. If we were to go to about Skillshops, it will give you an overview of our Skillshops. They're free workshops that we offer in collaboration with various campus departments and community partners. They're designed to help our students succeed, whether that be in the classroom, at home, in the real world. And we cover a wide range of topics, as I mentioned before. They're free and open to all Palomar College students, okay? So in order for students to attend our Skillshops, they do need to register. Moving forward for the fall semester, all of our Skillshops will be online via Zoom. which means that students will need to register ahead of time in order to receive the Zoom meeting information, including the meeting ID and the password. Okay, we will go into that in a few minutes. So if we were to go into this particular site, we scroll down and it gives you information about how to register. And you'll notice that you have several menu items here. Okay, you can click on those and it will take you to various other pieces of information. So right now, I actually moved the calendar piece to reflect what we offered back in May. So if you were to click on any one of these, it will open up in a new window and it will give you a flyer that has a description of the skill shop, and it also has the registration links, the date and the time. And that is how you can register for those sessions. If we were to look at what is going on now, you will notice that nothing is showing up because we don't have any sessions set up yet. And we will be working to set up our offerings for the fall semester within the next couple of weeks. And we will likely begin within the first couple weeks of the semester, of the fall semester. As I mentioned, these skill shops are put together through collaboration with our campus community partners, which means we work across all departments on our Palomar campuses, and we also have community partners. So scheduling takes a little bit of time. So we ask for your patience as we work to finalize those sessions. We offer them Monday through Friday at various dates and times throughout the semester. Alrighty, so if we actually go to the section that has the skill shop descriptions, if we go here, it will take us to another page that has all of the descriptions of all of the skill shops that we have ever offered. Some are missing, they're not here yet. And again, some of these descriptions include sessions when we conducted skill shops in person, such as last spring before the pandemic. And so these workshops are not necessarily ready to be offered in person quite yet. And we're hoping that when we do have in-person sessions again, we will be able to offer these again. So this gives you a little bit of a snapshot just about some of the sessions that we have offered in the past. Another way to look at sessions that we've offered is to actually look at our skill shop brochure. So if we look at our skill shop brochure and we scroll all the way up to the top, this is what we offered to our students for the spring semester. It gives you an overview of skill shops, and it has specific instructions on how to sign up for a skill shop. And again, all of our sessions for the fall semester will be via Zoom online. It has the breakdown of the categories that we offer, and it includes the date, the time, the name of the skill shop, and the registration links. So you simply have to go here, look to see whatever interests you, what best fits your schedule, and then register. Don't forget to make sure that you attend those sessions. So we have a lot of students that will register for sessions, and sometimes life happens and then you can't attend. Keep in mind that in order for you to get credit for meeting the requirement, you do need to attend these sessions. We do run reports of attendance, and then that information gets entered into our database. So that's how we make sure that we verify that students have attended. So if you sign up for a skill shop, can attend it, that's okay. Just make sure that you attend another one, or you can also attend our student lingo sessions as well. Just make sure that you let us know that you're a promise student so that when we run attendance reports, we can identify you as such. And or you can also send us an email from your student email address. Make sure that you include your student ID number and your full name, and you can send us an image of the certificate of completion. And you can send that to us at our email, which is promise@palomar.edu. We've got a little bit more information here about student lingo, and then we've got some additional information that other departments want to share with you. So this may change. It may look a little different by the time our fall semester brochure comes around. And then we also have the names of some of our campus and community partners. And then we also have some direct links to some very useful sites. So if you want to learn about additional resources on campus, these are direct links that will take you straight there. Financial aid, online tutoring, counseling services, student life and leadership. Again, just a few of our campus partners so that you are able to get additional information if you'd like. All righty. So I'm hoping that that gives you a little bit of an overview about more information about our Skillshops. We hope to see you in Skillshops throughout the semester. Just remember, if you have any questions at any point, feel free to contact our office. You can give us a call, 760-744-1150, extension 3931. You can also email us, promise@palomar.edu. And our office is working remotely, as are some other departments on campus. Your first stop could also be our website. Right now, we are advising students to start with Promise, our Palomar Promise website. You can also take a look at our TLC SM San Marcos website as well. Again, we welcome you. We are looking forward to working with you in the fall semester, throughout your first year, into your second year, and however long you're here or however short you're here, we are here to help you as you navigate our campus and hope to be able to get you ready for the next stage. Thank you. We look forward to seeing you.